field. So I have like a 6-7 years progressive IT experience, but I always felt like there was something like more to do, even though like I have a cybersecurity master's, but I felt this was the path, but was never getting like the time and the motivation like to do. I think like it might be a story of many like me. So people who wanted to do something, but they had some kind of a commitments. And today I'm actually the first thing I'm doing what I like to do. The second thing I was able to, I'm in a home like which I can afford right now. And so I would say like my whole life actually changed after OSCP. And I have thankfully a supporting team and a very supporting boss as well, which is rare to get. That's all those good things came with OS. It might look at right now that it's a bit of a money, and I would also share my personal experience that I didn't had any much to pay for the boot camp, but I guess like I manage it and everyone can somehow manage it. Make sure you go for it, because the life what you get after the OSCP is more than what you invest in the boot camp. That's how I would like to conclude.
That's awesome. Return on investment is what you should be looking at, right? So
More than 100% lifetime return.
that's great. That's great.